The Tugela Falls Trail is one of the most accessible, popular, and breathtaking hikes in the Drakensberg Mountains. You'll be rewarded with stunning views, and you'll see the second tallest waterfall in the world. Some even say it's the first. The hike takes 5 to 7 hours round trip, depending on your pace. The elevation gain is 753 meters, with a total distance of 11.3 kilometers. The route runs at an altitude of nearly 3,000 meters, so don't expect an easy stroll. Many hikers take 2 days and camp overnight near the falls. I recommend to download the route for offline access using AllTrails or similar app. The Drakensberg is a massive mountain range in southern Africa, surrounding the country of Lesotho. But don't worry, no visa is needed to hike to Tugela Falls. From Johannesburg, it's less than a 4-hour drive on well-maintained roads. Note, it's a toll road. 155 Rand one way in 2025. The most convenient place to stay is Witsy Mountain Lodge. It's the closest to the trailhead, but it often gets fully booked on weekends and holidays. The area also offers several other scenic hiking routes. You'll enter the Witsy Nature Reserve. Entry costs 90 Rand per person. From there, a good road leads to the lodge, but the final 4 kilometers to the trailhead are rough. Large rocks, definitely 4x4 only. If you don't have a 4x4, don't worry. Shuttle transfers run for 200 Rand per person, or you can walk that stretch, adding 4 more kilometers to your hike. The hike officially starts at Sentinel Car Park. There's a large parking area, though it can get crowded on popular days. Expect to pay an additional 140 Rand to access the trail. Weather conditions can change quickly, from fog to sunshine and back again. We started in thick mist, which cleared up beautifully after a while. Most of the trail is paved with stone slabs and well marked, but there are a few tricky sections. Chains to hold on to, bold steps to make. Be cautious in wet conditions and wear solid hiking boots. The toughest part? The chain ladders. They're sturdy, but they can feel intimidating. You'll climb 2 ladders, one after the other. Sometimes there's a queue. It can take up to 40 minutes if others are going up or down. Both ladders have parallel chains, so you can ascend while others descend. The second ladder is often unused, but don't be afraid, it's more stable than it looks. There's an alternative route over large boulders. It's tougher, but better for those afraid of heights or ladders. Once you're past the ladders, the trail levels out. Just a flat plateau ahead. The falls may dry up in winter, June to August. And from May to September, it can get pretty cold up there, even snowy. The return trip takes less time, but don't rush. Stay careful on your way back.